In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Grok AI message limit reached. If you're running into that message cap and your chats keep getting paused, don't worry. This usually comes down to account status and where you're accessing Grok. Follow along and we'll get you back to chatting smoothly. First, open your Grok account. If you've never set one up, go to the official Grok AI experience and create your account so your usage is recognized. If you already have one, simply open it so you're working from your own profile, not as a guest. Using a proper account is the foundation for higher, more consistent limits. Next, make sure you're actually signed in to Grok AI. It's easy to overlook this if you landed on a public page or preview. When you're signed in, your conversations are tied to your account, which helps the system apply the correct message limits for you. Look for clear indicators that you're logged in, like your profile icon or account menu, and confirm that you're chatting from that signed-in session. Then, verify that you've completed sign-up through a trusted method, Google, Apple, or your email. A fully registered account, rather than a temporary or partially created one, generally receives higher rate limits. If you started with a quick sign-in, consider finalizing the process by confirming your email or linking through Google or Apple. This shows the system that your account is established and eligible for the standard quota. Also, double-check that you're using Grok AI in the correct place. Access it through the official Grok AI interface within X, not through unrelated domains. Using the proper entry point ensures your account status and any plan benefits are detected, so your limits are calculated correctly. If you're unsure, navigate from the official X or XAI links and open Grok from there. Finally, if you want access to all features and the most generous usage, you can subscribe by upgrading your account. An upgraded plan typically provides higher or prioritized limits, along with premium features. Before you upgrade, review the plan details, confirm the benefits that matter to you, and complete the upgrade inside your account settings. Once upgraded, give the system a moment to reflect the change and then resume your chat. To recap, open your Grok account, stay signed in, complete sign up with Google, Apple, or email, access Grok in the official place, and upgrade if you need full features and higher capacity. With those steps, the message limit reached roadblock should no longer get in your way.